Hi everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to the Messy Desk. I am working on B, bookmark for the April ABC Junk Journal Challenge. If you're interested in a junk journal challenge, go to the April ABC Junk Journal Challenge Facebook group. And it is a closed group. You'll need to ask to be let in. And we are making junk journals using at least one of each of the 26 elements that I've chosen from the alphabet. And so letter B is a bookmark, and I thought I would show you something a little different. It's been a while probably since I've done one of these for you. This is using a headband, and I had picked up these headbands. It's a package of them quite a while ago, and so they are elastic at the bottom. This one has a braid. This one has some decoration. This one has a braid that looks like real hair. We're going to go ahead and use the one with the little bit of decoration. Okay, so you see it's got just a little bit of trim on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to add beads and a dangle to the bottom, and then this bookmark will sit over a page. So, you know, this might be kind of hard to get into a journal, or into a journal, to bead this, to set this through a bead. So we're going to go ahead and make a needle out of a paper clip this time. Okay, so I'm just making a needle. You can use any type of wire. This is thicker stuff right here, so I'm going to use this. I am going to go ahead and close it tighter with my big pliers, just because I know that it's hard to get it through. It can be hard. Okay, so I have made a little needle, and then we'll be able to take this off. I'm just going to go ahead and add a green bead. It's just a plastic bead. It's pretty thick. And I'm going to add a yellow bead. And I would, you know, anything that you could add that, you know, that you're going to be able to put on. We do have some letters. Let me see. I didn't try these earlier. I just pulled them out. You know what? I'm going to use those. So yeah, you know me. I'm going to take these off. And I am going to do maybe the word joy. Okay. So let's see. It will be sideways, but that's okay. So there's J. These beads I actually got at Goodwill. I don't know if y'all remember, the little bag was falling apart. And so, oh, make sure that your word is spelled in the right direction. Joy, J-O-Y. Okay, so there I have my joy. And I can go ahead and take my needle off. So that is making a homemade needle so that you can use it on that. Put the beads back in the thing. And then I'm going to make a charm out of the little bee. And I've got this stick pin that has some pearlies on it. I did see, I think it was, yes, it was Amore Fabriques. She's actually got these pens in her shop. So you might want to check that out. And then I'm just going to go ahead, close your eyes, because I'm going to cut the end of my pen off just to make it safer. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start my circle here. I'm making a charm, and I do want to make sure that it goes around this. So I'm actually going to get this started and put the elastic in and then continue it, okay? So, got my elastic in there. Try not to catch it. It just wants to get caught. There we go. See, my elastic is in there, and now I'll continue my making the charm around the elastic, okay? And this will keep the beads from falling out, and it's also a cute little addition, I think. There we go. Okay, so we have our little bee and our joy. You could have wrote B. And that will give us this cute little bookmark. Now, I do want to have one. I'm going to pull this down on this one side. Okay, so I've pulled. I'm going to pull my bee around. Then I'm going to pull my elastic through. So that will be my main bookmark page. Okay. Now let's measure. And we're going to be right at about 9 inches. So I am going to go ahead. I want it to be just a little bit taller. Pull my... So we'll let our bee dangle down a little bit. We just want to pull a little more out. Should have done this. You're getting the real gist. Okay, so we'll let the bee dangle down just a little bit here, below the joy. Okay, and then let's see. We'll just find a book. We have our little green book here, of course, and go in. And be able to put it in, just like that. Okay, so if you need it to be a little tighter, just on this one, excuse me, just pull some of the elastic, pull my bee down. And there's my bookmark. Okay, so just for something a little different, I will post in the comments below a couple of other bookmark videos. If you're looking for some other types of bookmarks, I have a video of a bookmark that you make to put on the corner that is really pretty and a lot of fun. And then, of course, I have the bookmark where you use the packing tape, so it is what is that word? It is, you know, it's covered with stuff. Laminated using packing tape. So this is the bookmark that I'm making for my B for my letter B in the April ABC Junk Journal Challenge. Letter B, bookmark. Letter A was an altered tag, I have it right here, and the video will also be listed down below. If you'd like to join us, the group is April ABC Junk Journal Challenge, and the link for that is also down below. It's a Facebook group, and we have a lot of fun, lots of great ideas, and I hope you join us. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give it a thumbs up. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining me at the Messy Desk. Have a great day. Bye-bye.